Hey there, crafty friends! Today, we're making this super cute rainbow pastel bunny weaving craft. Perfect for springtime fun or Easter decorations. Let's hop right in. Start by printing out the free bunny outline template on sturdy cardstock. The colored strips are also provided in horizontal and vertical cutouts. You can also use your own colored paper to do this craft. Next, carefully cut out the colored strips of paper and the bunny outline with scissors. Line up your pastel-colored strips vertically. Make sure that the strips are enough to cover the bunny template. Once they're aligned, secure the top with a piece of tape to keep them in place. Now for the fun part. Grab your horizontal strips and start weaving. Go under and over each vertical strip until you've created a beautiful woven pattern. Close up the holes by pushing the strips together. Continue all the way to the bottom. Next, use tape to secure the sides. Cut out the excess strips at the side. Flip it over and use tape to paste it behind the bunny outline. Make sure everything is secure so your bunny looks perfect from the front. For the final touch, you can glue the front part to ensure it doesn't come out. Your rainbow pastel bunny weaving craft is now complete. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this free printable and guide, be sure to like and subscribe for more creative projects.